Hey everybody. So my kid asked me the other day what this was. All right. I told him it was a telephone. What's that? They asked me. So we've come a long way with technology for sure, actually. So I mean, yeah. Nowadays, builders, all of them are building smart homes now. And what is a smart home, right? I mean, it's basically a house that is just using the technology that's being built right now. There's great. It has a lot of great uses too. One of the first things that smart homes did was to secure properties better. You can, your alarm, your security system. You can, look at your home and monitor it from your cell phone. It helps you save money. If you forgot to turn off the AC or turn off some lights, you can turn those off from your phone and things like that. And it just makes things more efficient in your home. It's going to help you save some money, but it also gives you value as well too. So nowadays we're seeing a lot of builders include these features with new construction, but existing homeowners are adding these features in their home as well. For example, I myself have a Ring doorbell. So, when I get my Amazon packages or whatever, I see that they're there, see where they're at, and if people ring the doorbell, I can see who's there. Really cool. I have some smart light bulbs as well too, so I can dim and turn them off by using voice commands. Very, very useful, like when you're laying in bed or something and you don't want to get up and turn off the lights, right? Another great thing is I love my Amazon Echo, the Alexa thing. It gives me all types of reminders. I have reminders to tell my kids to do their homework, brush their teeth, go to bed, things like that. But I mean, just very useful, good for playing music, all these type of things. And as I mentioned before, things like a Nest thermostat or something helps you control your utilities really during the summer or the winter, so you're not blasting your AC or your heater all day long while you're at work, and you can turn off your lights and stuff like that, which is really cool. So I just thought it's kind of a cool thing. I'm seeing this really going big these next few years in construction. Homes are going to be smarter and smarter. So if you want, I would love to hear some things from you guys. If you have a cool smart device that you're using at your home, please let me know about it. I'd love to discuss it with you and see what the benefits are. All right, thanks for watching.